Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on email notifications on your Rain app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you click here on number settings here. So then you come to this list, then you just go down, you click here on neighborhood settings. So then you come to this list here, you just click here on email notification settings. So then here can you choose if you want to add send daily or send weekly here. Then when you just down click here on save, I'm going to choose here send daily here. I'm going to click save. Then it's going to turn with us now on your Rain app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.